All right, Layla, this is a book I've picked out for you to read today. It seems like you have some extra learning you want to do, so I wanted to provide you with a book. There are some sight words in here that we've practiced this week, and then you're going to be using your eagle eye strategy to use the pictures and the first letter of the word to help you find out what these kids like to do after school or what they can do after school. The title of the book is After School. And we'll flip to the title page. You'll see that again, After School. You're going to see this on every page in the book. So if you're stuck on a word that starts with A and you're trying to sound out aft, it's the title of the book. That's a good strategy to use while reading. Also, the title of the book is usually somewhere in the book. Those words are. So, After School. And on the title page, it has this red rectangle, and it says focus question. So a focus question is something you're going to think about as you're reading. So as you're reading this book, I want you to think about what are some ways to have fun after school. You can use examples from the book to answer this, or you can think about what you do after school to have fun. So I'm going to flip through the pages. I don't have a way to know how long it's going to take you to read each page or how quickly you'll read it. So what I'm going to recommend is every time it flips to a page, pause the video, read it, and then push play, and the page will go to the next. I'll turn the next page for you. I hope that makes sense. If not, you can always rewind if I go too fast. So again, you're just going to read each page and pausing as I turn each page so that you can read. Okay? So after school, here we go. Oops, I forgot about this page. So words to know. These are words that are going to be in the book. You're going to be using your eagle eye strategy, so you won't necessarily have to study these words or make flashcards or anything, but just to have in the back of your mind, these are some words you're going to see in the book. Act, bike, dance, play, sing, study. Okay, so that is the end of the book. If you want to do this, it says make a new page for this book, draw a picture, and write this sentence. I like to blank after school. So you could write the sentence for me, fill it in, something you like to do after school, and draw a picture. And then I would skip the math one because that's kind of a whole group thing. I apologize for the noise in the background. Adelie is watching Old MacDonald, so I'm sure you're hearing lots of animal noises. But if you want to read that book and then complete the writing and art activity, or just recording yourself saying something you like to do after school and maybe what you remember from the book, you can write those down or record them for me. Hope you enjoyed it.